Good morning to our St. David's family. If I had asked my grade 12 maths class the following question at the start of the year, what is the probability of there being a global pandemic in 2020 that would suspend life as we know it? I'm sure the answer would have been 0 or a number very close to 0. My follow-up question could have been, what is the probability of successfully adapting to an online teaching environment in the event of such a pandemic? Again, the answer most likely would have been, it's not going to happen. Well, if this had been a probability test for marks, I guess we all would have failed. The reality is that we have successfully adapted to an online teaching environment as a result of a global pandemic. We attribute this success to a collaborative effort from all spheres of the school, and it is appropriate that we acknowledge the boys' commitment and their resilience, the parents' ongoing support and encouragement, and the staff's unbelievable dedication to their roles as educators. The learning curve for all involved has been a steep one and remains ongoing as we move to the next phase of this journey. The life skills we are learning, and especially our boys, will equip them as the generation to forge a new path for humanity. We are not following the road less or more traveled, but rather the road never traveled before. This morning, we celebrate the achievements of our top academics in each grade. Although these circumstances are unprecedented, the significance of these awards are no less meaningful. I will begin with the grade 8 top 10 for term 1. In 10th position, Christopher Correa, Jack Brady, Gregory Price, Oliver Buerta, Aaron Butt, Michael Elphick, Dylan Howe. In 3rd position, Jensen Welton. In 2nd position, Jonathan Penomula. And in 1st position, with an average of 92.4%, Theo Dreyer. Grade 9. In 10th position, Peter van Niekerk, Alessandro Gasparotto, Ryan Day, Joseph Shu, Paliantonio Mariano, Andrew Kleinhans, Sasha Costa. In 3rd position, Sean Honeyball. In 2nd position, Kwawe Manala. And in 1st position, with an average of 88.3%, Nicholas Rautenbach. Grade 10. In 10th position, Ross Mitchell, Alexander Rahana, Yash Desai, Ethan Khalil, Matteo Buxman, Connor Gaisley, Keegan Lofty-Eaton. In 3rd position, Stephen Curry. In 2nd position, Jason Bayliss. And in 1st position, with an average of 91.8%, Daniel Dyer. Grade 11. In 10th position, Rohan Butt, Mateen Ishmael, Joshua Maroon, Warwick Brown, Jacob Walbeck, Joshua Dacre, Dale van der Merwe. In 3rd position, Matthew Shahim. 2nd position, Lucas van der Merwe. And in 1st position, with an amazing 97.2%, Mohammed Zidan Kasim. And finally, the grade 12s. In 10th position, Sibusiso Baloy, Maxwell Meyer, Brendan Craven, Duncan Scott, Abay Harry Paul, Jaden Murray, Declan Pegg. In 3rd position, Vasily Matsouris, In second position, Luke Lawson. And in first position, with an average of 93%, Nicholas Carr. Congratulations to all the top 10 achievers. I wish you all a happy Connection Day, a day to catch your breath. Thank you.